are going to be studying the element of art called form, and we're going to be using a form, a three-dimensional form, to make an awesome artist. This would actually work for lots of different projects. You could make any type of person you want. I'm going to make an artist, and I'm going to be choosing the artist of the month for August, Andy Warhol, who loved pop art. But this could also work for like a president if you're doing a book report. It could work for a book character if you wanted to create a book character. And we're going to be recycling. So the first thing you're going to need for this project is a handy dandy toilet roll. All right, so like I said, you're going to need a toilet roll, probably some construction paper. I'm going to be using paints. So once you've gathered all of your material, we'll probably need scissors, glue. Get your materials and let's get started. We've got our toilet paper roll. I've got some water because I'm going to be using paints, some peach colored paint, and I have a nice reference photo that I'm going to be using. I really like this one. All right, so here's my Andy Warhol. He doesn't look like Andy Warhol yet, but he will. Now I'm gonna get my handy dandy paint brushes. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the peach, and he's gonna have a black turtleneck on. So I'm gonna just squeeze in a little bit of that peach, a little bit of black. I don't want them to be close together on my palette here because you know, they'll get all mixed up. We don't want the black getting mixed. All right. Cardboard underneath my painting area. I don't know where you're painting or doing this, but this is acrylic paint and it can stain. So you probably want to protect your area. I'm going to switch brushes for the black. Now you could wash out your paintbrush, but I think I'm going to have to add another layer. Now he's got some crazy hair here. So I'm going to set my paintbrush down. Ah! It went into the paint. No. Now I want this to dry. Acrylic paint dries pretty fast though, which is good. Ooh. You could use a blow dryer actually to make it dry even faster. Let me move my water. Okay, let me plan this out a little bit. I have a pencil. Remove my paintbrushes. All right, now I'm gonna kind of sketch out his face a little bit. So I always start with the nose because it's in the middle, and the paint is still wet, by the way. Now he's not smiling. He's got kind of a smirk on his face. All right, there's his general face. Let me think about this hair. Got some white paper here. Hey. Let me let this dry and we can work on his hair a little bit. How am I gonna make this hair? I'm gonna kind of measure it. I need tape. Do I have tape? Tape. I probably want it a little bit bigger than the roll. There we go. I'm gonna tape it right there. Okay. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna draw. All right, so I'm just trying to make some hair here. Let's try on his wig, see how he looks. Ooh. OMG, that looks amazing. Oh man. Oh man. All right, the peach paint is almost dry. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do is take some brown paint, and I don't think I'm gonna do a second coat, so I'm gonna put my paintbrushes in the water. But here's my brown, hopefully. I'm gonna do, with the brown, I'm gonna take off his hair so I don't mess up his gorgeous hair. But I'm just gonna, yeah, do a little bit of outlining. I think I'm gonna come back and make his eyebrows more black. And I can see his nostrils. Whoa, may have went overboard with that nostril. Just adding some little lines here. What do you think? Ah! He looks a little crazy. Now how am I gonna make his sunglasses? Out of paper? You've got paper. Got paper here. Okay, I'm gonna kind of estimate here. I'm gonna like draw the glasses. Set Andy over here for a second. Let's just do red, because that is definitely a color that goes well with pop art. All right. Let's do a little bit of, I'm just gonna use paint for the black. Okay, we got some sunglasses for good old Andy here. So this was, I was a little worried. I didn't know how this was gonna turn out here. And I kind of like what I see. This is hard to cut out. I really should make these sunglasses probably out of cardboard. Oh my gosh. He looks great. We gotta let that dry a little bit. All right, I am pleasantly surprised here. I gotta say, I like it. So I'm gonna clean up my mess. I'm gonna get him all ready with his hair. Oh my gosh, he looks great. I think I need to add something else to his shirt, but for now, I love it. It turned out great. Have some soup and make some art. Oh yeah. All right, guys. I hope you like that one. Maybe the next one I'll make is Bob Ross. All right. Have an artistically awesome day.